Hello everyone, I am John Anthony Mijares and I am your teacher. Everyone, good morning. Okay, before you take your seats, kindly pick up some pieces of paper and garbages under your chairs and please arrange your chairs properly. Okay, uh, let us all, very good everybody, let us all stand and let us pray. Okay, okay Ben, kindly lead the prayer. Okay. O God Almighty, behold us, thy loving children, offering you today our works and studies. Help us, dear Lord, to be obedient to to our teachers, to be kind to our classmates, and to be diligent in our studies. May you always grant us to follow your way. Amen. Okay, everyone, you may settle down now. Okay, at this time, may I ask the class secretary who are the absents for today? Is Is there an absent for today? None? Okay, very good everyone. Since there is no absent for today, let us give yourself a round of applause. Okay, okay everyone. Just to make this class successful, there are rules that we have to follow. So everybody kindly read the rules synchronously. First, be attentive to teacher while teaching. Second, cooperate and participate actively. Third, raise your hand and wait to speak. And follow directions during activity. And do not forget to respect everyone. So, is that understood? Okay, very good class. Now, let us have a groupings. You have a you ha- we have here 4 rows. Okay? John, kindly, uh, I will select a representative. John, please stand up in that row. And for the second row, James, please stand up. And for the third row, George, please stand up. And for the fourth row, Micah, please stand up. So the rest of the class, what you're going to do is to write your names on a on a 1/8 sheet of paper. And then after that, you will scroll that and fold and pass it forward. Understand? Okay. So, please, since you have already your names, so representatives, please select. So, you have it, you are 30 students, right? So, class secretary, select your at least a Ah, by the way, you are 32 students. So, uh, you, each representative will select at 8 names here in the box. Okay? Okay. First one. Okay. Very good. So, that names that you have now, that will be your members. And after that, you're going to choose your leader. So, for the first row, you will be the team pyramid. Second row will be the team volcano. And the third row will be the team pizza slice. And the fourth row will be the team arrow. So, form your circle. Arrange your chair properly. Okay? And then at this time, I will present to you the standards of our class. So, the team that got correct answers will be having one yellow star, which is equivalent to 100 points. And the team that behaves well will be having red star, which is 50 points. And the team that finished the activity earlier will have in an orange star, which is 30 points. And the team that cooperates or participates will have a sky blue star, which is 20 points. So as what you can see, your Christmas tree are empty. So what you're going to do is to follow our standards so that you will gain more stars and make your Christmas tree even more brighter and merrier. Is that clear? Okay, very good. Since you understand it, uh, let us first have a review of before we proceed to our next topic. So what was our topic last time? Anybody? So let us first have a uh, review of what we have discussed last meeting. So in this find the area of each of the parallelogram. So we have a problem A and the problem B. So what will be the solution for problem A? So we have here. Okay, so how are we going to solve this? So do you know that the have you remembered that the formula for finding the area of parallelogram is A is equals to B times H, wherein A is an area and B is height and B is base rather, and H is height. So let us just replace the value of B, which is 6 meter, times the value of H, which is 4 meter. So 6 meter times 4 meter, we have 24 square meter. So that's it. And for the problem B, we have here the solution. Using the formula for finding the area of parallelogram, we have A time is equals to B times H. So wherein B is 3 centimeter times H, which is 8 centimeter. So we have a 24 centimeter squared. So do not forget the formula for finding the area of parallelogram, which is A is equals to B times H. Okay? Okay, very good. So now let us have a drill. Okay. So solve the following numbers using division. So uh, we will have a drill. Solve the following numbers using division and multiplication. For the number 1, 8 times 4 is divided by 2 is equals to, very good. So the answer is 16. Why? Because 8 times 4 is equals to 32, and 32 divided by 2 is 16. And for the number 2, 5 times 8 divided by 2 is equals to what? Okay, very good. Equals to 20. Why? Because 5 times 8 is equals to 40, and 40 divided by 2 is equals to 20. And for the number 3, 12 times 3 divided by 2 is equals to, okay, very good, excellent, 18. Why? Because 12 times 3 is equals to 36, and 36 divided by 2 is equals to 18. Okay, correct. Now 10 times 5 divided by 2 is equals to, very good, equals to 25, because 10 times 5 is equals to 50, and 50 divided by 2 is 25. And next, 3 times 4 divided by 2 is equals to, okay, very good, 6. Because 3 times 4 is equals to 12, and 12 divided by 2 is equals to 6. Okay, excellent everybody. Let us clap our hands for a job well done. Okay. Thus, we will have a scenario here. So, everybody please read. Mr. John wants to buy a triangular hat for his costume. He goes in a supermarket and there he finds so many hats. So help Mr. John find the hat for his costume. So do you know what are these hats? Okay, very good. The first hat is what we call Very good. You're so familiar. This is fedora hat. This is used for example, in traveling, or uh, this is also used in a stylish costume, no? During a travel, or during summer, during outing. That's it. The next one is, what do you call this? Very good. A party hat. So they commonly used in a birthday party. The next one is, okay, the Santa hat, which is commonly used during Christmas carol and Eve. That's it. And the last one is, what do you call that? Okay, the farmer's hat. This is used in farming by the farmers. Okay. So now, what is us in the problem? So, the problem is that we will help Mr. John find the hat for his costume. What is the hat, the shape of the hat that Mr. John is finding? So, the triangular hat. So, what we are going today is to uh, show your skills in measuring this hat. Okay, I'll be giving you this cutout images, and you are going to measure this through your rulers. So, team pyramid, this one, team arrow, this one, and team volcano, this one, and team pizza slice, this one. Okay, I'll be giving you 3 minutes to do your task. Okay, it seems it's time, no? So let us now check if you got the correct answer. So uh, exchange your answer sheet by group. Okay, so this one, let us measure what is the height. Okay, this is group team pyramid. What is the height for this hat? Okay, 4 meter. And what is the base? 2 meter. Congratulations! Your answer is correct. So you have a 100 points. Next, team volcano. What is the height of this party hat? And what is the base? Okay, the height is 5 meter and the base is 3 meter. Very good. So, you also have a 100 points. And for team arrow, what is the height and the base of the Santa hat? Okay, 4 meter and 3 meter. Excellent. So you also have a 100 points. For the team pizza slice, so what's the height and base for this farmer's hat? So we have 2 meter and the 5 meter. So that's great. Okay. By the way, I forgot. It's inches rather, not a meter. All of these unit are in inches. Okay. Now, which do you think? I will give first a star for pizza slice. Since everybody got the correct answer, let us all give ourselves a round of applause. Okay, what do you think is which do you think Mr. which of the do you think of these hats Mr. John is finding? So, the what? Okay, very good. The party hat, because it has a shape of a perfect triangular shape. That's it. Okay, class, for our presentation, before we go to our topic for today, let us first unlock the difficult words we will encounter along our way. So first, we have area. So everybody, please read what is an area. Okay, very good. Area is a part or section within a larger place. And the triangle is a shape that made up of three lines, three angles, and three sides. Okay, very good. Next, uh, what do you think is this shape? Okay, this is a triangle or the triangle. So in the triangle, we have a height and the base. So the area of so the formula of finding the area of a triangle is area is equals to base times height divided by 2. So if we have two triangles and they combine together, we form parallelogram. Just look at this image. So this is a parallelogram, but when we divide it, we can form a triangle or two triangles. So the area in finding a parallelogram is A is equals to B times H. So so the area in finding the area of the triangle is A is equals to B times H divided by 2, where B is the base and H is the height. Okay, so let us summarize or generalize everything. So we learned that the formula in finding the area of a triangle is A is equals to B times H divided by 2, where B is the base and H is the height. And the formula of finding the missing height and base of triangle are B is equals to A times 2 divided by H. And the formula for finding the height of the triangle is A times 2 divided by the base. And the formula for finding the area of parallelogram is A is equals to H times B. As everybody, have you got any questions? None? Okay, very good. I think you are ready now for our group activity. So by the way, this is an example of finding the area of the triangle. Say for example, in the first example we have an h or the height which is equals to 3 centimeter and the b is 6 centimeter. So solution, using the formula of the area and finding the area of a triangle, we have a is equals to b times h divided by 2. So we will just replace the b, which is 6 centimeter, times the height, which is 3 centimeter, divided by 2. So 6 centimeter divided by 3 centimeter is equals to 18 centimeter squared. Divided by 2 is 9 centimeter squared. Understand? Next example, we have an h divided is equals to 3 feet and the base is 2 feet. So the solution, so again, we will use the formula of finding of the area of the triangle. We have A is equals to B times H divided by 2, where B is 2 feet times H, which is 3 feet, divided by 2. So we have, so 2 feet times 3 feet is equals to 6 feet squared. Divided by 2 is 3 feet squared. Next, we have here, again, we will use the formula for the area of the triangle. We have A is equals to BH divided by 2, which is, our B is 8 meter times our height is 3 meter divided by 2. So we have 24 meter squared divided by 2, we have 12 meter squared. Okay, so I think you are now ready for our group activity. Hey class, since I observed that each group behaves well, then I'll give you a 50 points Okay, everyone, let us clap our hands for job well done. Okay, now for your group activity, uh, leaders, you can copy, or secretary, you can copy your task, and or you can take a photo. So you may go in front and take a photo. Okay, so for the team pyramid, draw a right triangle and label the base and height as 12 centimeter and 4 centimeter, and find the area. For team volcano, John is surveying a plot of land in a shape of triangle. The area of land is 24 meters squared. If the height is 4 meter, what is the base? So that's it. For team pizza slice, your problem is a 10 meters ladder is leaning against the building. The bottom of the ladder is 5 meter away from the building. What is the area of the space of the ladder? Gets? Okay, for the team arrow, what is the height of a triangle with a base of 5 inches and an area of 20 square inches? So go to your group and solve your problem. Okay? I'll be giving you a bond paper and pilot. Okay. You have a 5 minutes to do your activity. Okay, class, are you done? Very good. So now, uh, let me check your answer. For group, for team pyramid, you have, okay, your answer is this. So, you draw a right triangle, which is correct. And the base of the height, and the base is 4 centimeter, and uh, the height is 4 centimeter, and the base is 12 centimeter. So the question is, find the area. So you use the formula of finding the area of triangle, which is A is equals to B times H divided by 2. So you have 12 centimeter, which is the base, divided by the height, which is 4 centimeter, divided by 2. Your answer is 24 centimeters squared. Very good, team pyramid. And for participating, I will give you a sky blue star. And for the team volcano, so what was your answer? What is your answer? Here? Okay, let's try to check. Your problem is John is surveying a plot of land in a shape of a triangle. So the area of the land is, okay, very good, 24 meters squared. If the height is 4 meter, check, what is the base? So your problem is finding the base. So use the formula of finding the base of a triangle. You have base is equals to 8 times 2 divided by h. So the area is 24 meters squared times 2 divided by the height, which is 4 meter. So your answer is 2, which is 12 meter, is correct. So for your participation, I will give you a sky blue star. Team volcano. And next, for the team pizza slice, let us try to check. A 10-meter ladder, which is, okay, that is the height of the ladder, is leaning against the building. The bottom of the ladder is 5 meter, which is the base. So what is the area of the space of the ladder? So you are going to find the area. You use the formula of finding the area of triangle, which is this, and you replace the B for 5 meter and the H for 10 meter. So you multiply that and divide it by 2. So your answer, which is 25 meters squared, is absolutely correct. So you will have a sky blue star. Team Pizza Slice. And for the Team Arrow, let us check your answer. So Team Arrow, what is the height of a triangle with a base of 5 inches and an area of 20 square inches? So Team Arrow, you use the formula of finding the height, which is h is equals to a times 2 divided by b. So your area is 20 square inches times the base, which is 5 inches. So you multiply that one and divided by the height, which is what you will find, no? So your answer, which is 8 inches, is correct. So team Team Arrow, you've got the blue star. Okay, since you've got all the correct answer, let us clap our hands, or let us give a Donisha clap for Team Pyramid. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. Very good, very good, very good. Okay, for the Team Volcano, let us give them a durian clap. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. Ha. Okay, for the Team Pizza Slice, let us give them a fireworks clap. 1 2 3 1 2 3. Psh, psh. Okay, and for the Team Arrow, let us give them a rainy clap. Okay everyone, congratulations for participating with our activity. Okay, but wait, I see that there is a team that finished the activity earlier, and that was the Team Pyramid. So I'll be giving them an orange star. Okay, thank you, Team Pyramid. So that makes you advance from the other team. Okay. Okay, class. This is not a group activity, but this is an individual quiz. So avoid cheating. So please copy the problem here and answer and solve for the area of each for the following triangles. Understand? So you have 5 minutes to do that activity. Okay, time's up. Are you done? Okay, so please exchange your paper with your seatmates. And let us answer. For the number 1, h is equals to 2 meter and the b is 6 meter. So what do you think is the area? The area is 6 meter squared. Okay. Since 2 meter times 6 meter is equals to 12 square meter, divided by 2 is 6 meters squared. Next, and h is 5 meter and the base is 2 meter. So what do you think is the area? The area is 5 meters squared. Why? Because 5 meter times 2 meter divided by 2 is equals to 5 meters squared. And for the number 3, we have the h, which is 5 centimeter, and the b is 10 centimeter. So 5 centimeter times 10 centimeters is equals to 50 centimeter divided by 2. So we have the area, which is 25 centimeter square. So for the number 4, we have the h, which is 4 meter, and the base is 2 meter. So 4 meter times 2 meter is equals to what? 8 meters squared. Divided by 2, we have 4 meter squared. And for the number 5, we have the height, which is 3 meter, and the base is the same 3 meter. So what do you think is the area? So let us multiply 3 meter times 3 meter. We have 9 meters squared. Divided by 2, we have 4.5 meters squared. Okay. Is everybody perfect? Okay, very good. Congratulations. Let us give yourself a round of applause. at this juncture, I'm giving you an assignment, which is to complete the table below. So I'll be giving you 3 minutes to copy or take a photo for your assignment. That will be submitted for the last meeting. So at this point, let us try to see whose team is the winner. So the winning team is the team pyramid. They have a 100 points, 130 points. And let us give the team pyramid the Junisha clap. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Very good, very good, very good. Okay. And the and we have a tie score, which is a Team Volcano, Team Pizza Slice, and Team Arrow. So let us give them a what we call fireworks clap. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Psh, psh, psh. Okay, everyone, thank you for your participation. That brings to the end of my discussion. Thank you and God bless.